Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while that I haven't uploaded any videos. Anyways, today we are going to visit the sheep farm at Poilwa village. Wait, didn't say hi. At Poilwa village. So I'll be taking you guys around and be with me till the end of my video. Yay! Hey guys, so we are at the main road of Peri village, and see, this is the background. Look at the view. That's my sister, and the one, yeah, she's also my sister. So now we will be going to Peren village, and after that we will be going to the sheep farm. So yeah, stay tuned. We're stuck in the middle of the road. They're still getting ready. See, look up there, they're making the road, so we're stuck in the middle. We'll just wait for a while. We've got vegetables here, so we're going to get that now. Woo! 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 So we have got this. Mr. Ringzule. Get the road. Welcome to Denver. Welcome to Mount Fauna Tourist Village, Peren. We're making the road. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Welcome to New Poilwa. God loves me and you love me first to rescue. So pretty. Oh, finally we are here. Are you guys happy? Yes! Finally we're here. First time. Hi! Hi guys! Welcome. So this is a parking area. We have bridge, and this is Poilwa, New Poilwa village. Woo! Just an illusion. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion. Just an illusion. So now we are at Poilwa village. We're going down to check out the farm. We're here for the first time and we're very much excited. Entry inside the farm is strictly prohibited by order. Entry registration done here. Visitors are restricted from entering into the sheep farm. However, pictures or photos can be taken from out of the fence. Okay, so visitors should also maintain a plastic-free zone. And then yeah, I will not be able to read out everything. However, this is the rules and regulation. And welcome to sheep farm, Poilwa village. Now I'm feeling it even more. We'll just go down and check out. Woo! But then I open up and see the person falling here is me. Okay, so registration fee is 30. Go! Okay. pretty. Welcome to the sheep farm, What's this one? Impossible to ignore. And they'll come true. Impossible not to do. Impossible not to do. Say hi. And now I tell you openly, you have my heart, so don't hurt me. Hello. You're what I couldn't find. A totally amazing mind, so understanding and so kind. You're everything to me. Oh, my life is changing every day in every possible way. No. And all my dreams are never quite they keep running away. 'Cause you're a dream to me. मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया. मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया. उससे मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया. Now it's time to fill our stomach. We're done. What are you carrying today? We have this chive, mango, okay, and then we have the curry pot there. We cook snail with pork and bamboo shoot. Wow. And we have the chips. We have drinks. Drinks in a sense. Juice. Coke, Fanta, Sprite. Okay. Yes, that's it. Yeah. Ah, the air! It's very, very fresh. It's so refreshing, and then we're just loving it. The place is so amazing. And this is for our safety, you know. Being a Naga, we have to carry this everywhere. Naga for life. Naga by blood. They've started preparing for the lunch break. Oh my god, it's breathtaking. Look at the plates, it's so amazing. Go prepare the long way. Wow. Zilang special, hey? Mangoes, pure local da ide. Kilong na kung de. Pwede tayo tingra. Zilang special da. Organic from Mama's kitchen garden. Yep. And these are also from our garden. Never quite as it seems. Never quite as it seems. I know I felt like this before. Now I'm feeling it even more because it came from you. We have snail with pork and bamboo shoot. There is chive, rice, lemon, mango, chips, juice, and water. Wow! rich people.
It's changing every day in every possible way. And all my dreams are never quite as it seems, never quite as it seems.
Everything is done. We're going back home now. So it's gonna rain. It's so windy out here right now. So we are leaving in a while. Yes.
But then I open up and see
Orchid.
the person falling.
Good.
Very excited and thankful to Casey. Thank you.
And I even got this. It's up there getting banana stem. We got this on our way back home.
Oh, so thankful to those two gentlemen for bringing those banana stems. Thank you, brother.
To ignore.
This also the Christmas tree. This is orchid and this is Christmas tree. But there are lots of beaches out here, so we'll be moving out again now.
Impossible not to do.
Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me. Your goodness is running after, it's running after me.
मिले हुए मुझको तो अरसा हो गया मेरा दिल कहीं दूर पहाड़ों में खो गया मेरा दिल
So good weather. Woo!
And all my dreams are never quite as it seems.
Oh, it's so
Never
cold.
quite as it seems.
It's so cold.
I know I felt like this before.